Hey there, AI enthusiasts. It's Harry here with AI News Connect, bringing you the latest and greatest in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we've got some exciting updates from NVIDIA's highly anticipated GTC 2025 conference, set to kick off tomorrow in San Jose, California. NVIDIA's annual GPU Technology Conference, or GTC, has become the premier event for all things AI and accelerated computing. This year's conference, running from March 17th to 21st, promises to be bigger and better than ever with over 1,000 sessions, 2,000 speakers, and nearly 400 exhibitors. The highlight of GTC 2025 will undoubtedly be CEO Jensen Huang's keynote address, scheduled for March 18th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. Huang is known for his visionary insights and ability to articulate the transformative potential of AI. So we're all eagerly waiting to see what groundbreaking technologies and innovations he'll unveil this year. One of the most anticipated announcements at GTC 2025 is expected to be the reveal of NVIDIA's new GPU series. We're hearing rumors about the Blackwell Ultra series, which is slated for release in the second half of 2025. This new line of GPUs is expected to deliver a whopping 50% better performance than its predecessor, the B200 series. What's more, the Blackwell Ultra cards will feature advanced water cooling technology, which is a game changer for managing the heat generated by these high-performance beasts. But that's not all, folks. The Blackwell Ultra series is also rumored to pack a massive 208 GB of memory. This is fantastic news for AI researchers and developers looking to run and train memory-hungry AI models. It seems NVIDIA is really pushing the boundaries of what's possible in GPU technology. Looking even further ahead, there's buzz about the upcoming Rubin series, set to debut in 2026. Jensen Huang has described this as a big, huge step up in computing power. The Rubin series is expected to feature substantial enhancements in memory and processing capabilities, with the ultimate goal of advancing towards artificial general intelligence, or AGI. There's even talk of a Rubin Ultra series launching in 2027, which could further cement NVIDIA's position as the leader in AI and accelerated computing technologies. But GTC 2025 isn't just about hardware. NVIDIA is also making waves in the world of quantum computing. This year's conference will feature the company's first ever Quantum Day, highlighting NVIDIA's recognition of quantum computing's immense potential. By mapping out the path toward useful quantum applications, NVIDIA is positioning itself as a key player in this emerging field. The conference will also shine a spotlight on AI agents and robotics, including the fascinating world of humanoid robots. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and autonomous driving. NVIDIA's involvement in these areas could open up exciting new markets and growth opportunities. Some intriguing sessions at GTC 2025 include revolutionizing cardiac MRI analysis and diagnosis with AI, and autonomous systems and remote sensing for better Earth data. These presentations demonstrate NVIDIA's commitment to addressing real-world challenges and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Now, let's talk about the atmosphere surrounding GTC 2025. The entire city of San Jose is getting into the spirit, with banners up, streets shifting, and everything getting a fresh coat of NVIDIA green. The conference is set to be more than just what happens on stage. It's spilling out into sessions at the McNary Convention Center, hands-on demos at the Tech Interactive Museum, and even late-night conversations at the Plaza de Cesar Chavez Night Market. The speaker lineup for GTC 2025 is truly impressive, featuring a mix of visionaries and builders who are pushing the boundaries of AI. Some notable names include Yann LeCun, Chief AI Scientist at Meta and Professor at New York University, Francis Arnold, Nobel Laureate from Caltech, RJ Scaringe, Founder and CEO of Rivian, and Peter Abiel, Robotics Pioneer from UC Berkeley. As we wrap up today's news, it's clear that GTC 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark event for NVIDIA and the tech industry as a whole. With groundbreaking advancements in AI, robotics, and quantum computing on the horizon, we're getting a glimpse into the future of technology and its potential impact on our daily lives. NVIDIA continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, maintaining its leadership position in the AI and accelerated computing market. It's an exciting time to be following the world of AI, and you can bet we'll be covering all the major announcements and breakthroughs coming out of GTC 2025. That's all for today's AI News Update. I'm Harry from AI News Connect, and I'll be back soon with more cutting-edge developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.